And breaking news, this is Remember Again, an update to what's happening vis-a-vis elections, fast-paced developments and Republic tracking everything that you need to know right now. The Assam core group meeting has ended. This meeting was underway earlier at the BJP President JP Nadda's residence. We'll put out those first images also up on our screens, and our colleague Madhurima is also just going to join us in a bit to get you details of what do we know. Now here, remember, the focus is on the seat-sharing alliance. How many will go to the AGP? And this is, I think, a work in progress, because Madhurima, just about yesterday, Sarbanand Sonowal, Himanta Biswa Sarma, all again also did meet the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. We were given to understand that a broader consensus has been worked out on the seat-sharing formula. What are you hearing?
Well, absolutely. The feelings that the story that we got to know from our sources yesterday, it was that the core meeting which happened between JP Nadda and Amit Shah yesterday at Amit Shah's residence, it was more about the seat sharing, which by the end of the meeting, it was like that 90% of the decisions have already been made there, and only the announcement is left regarding both the seat sharing and the coalition as well.
We were also expecting that the announcement will be made today. However, the announcements have not been made. We're expecting that after the CEC meeting, as we know that Amit Shah has gone to the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, which is the residence of the Prime Minister there, to brief him about whatever has been happening since yesterday till today evening. As we know, multiple rounds of talks have already been done, Deepti. Now the thing is that the major announcements are yet to be made. However, when we talk about Assam, it's all very sorted, very amicably, all decisions are being taken. Yesterday we saw that the meeting in comparison to yesterday was not that long, but then it was seen that all the decisions that have been made, 90% of the decisions that we were getting to know from our sources have already been made regarding the coalition, the seat sharing, and we are only expecting the announcement soon, Deepti.
All right, so Madhurima, I think all eyes now what happens at the CEC, that meeting, Remember Again, the Prime Minister will also be a part of that. That meeting gets underway this evening. Republic is tracking everything that you need to know for the moment, Madhurima. Thank you.